Hey guys, what's up? Legit Luke here. Today I'm bringing you another cubing video. Today's tutorial is how to solve a Skewb Extreme. Now you solve this just like this Skewb cube, so let's go ahead and get into the video. So you solve this cube pretty much like a Skewb cube, and if you don't know how to solve a Skewb cube, check out my Skewb cube tutorial. It will be in the link in the description. So we're going to solve it like the white side on this, just like normal, but it has to be matching. Like, you see, like these two colors in here, they never change. So we have to match this, like this color on the inside to green, so like they match. So let's do that. So if you know how to do a Skewb, you basically just turn it to the side and put it in. Well, it doesn't go there, so what is down here, turn it to the side and bring it up again so it matches this. Because it's just like putting in Skewb quarters right now. We turn this like a Skewb cube, put it up and in so it matches this. And then we do the same thing for the last one. So it should match this. So that's it, that. Now we're going to try to solve these centers and put them in the correct position. So we look at the color on the top and it's blue. Now let's find the blue. We want to put in the blue. And we go down, down, up, up. And we do that once. Just like that. And sometimes it could be like this. So like maybe the blue is this. So you put in the blue, but it may not solve the first time. So you need to look, because you match the green with the green. And then at some point, it'll like, when you do this, the color on the top, red, the yellow will be right here, so you can put in the red. So now that's done, on to the next step of getting this part all solved around the first layer. So just throughout the cube, there's like this same algorithm. We're going to do the same thing for the first layer. So what we're going to do is, you have like one of these like correct. And when you do this algorithm, you want to hold one of them so it's not correct. Doesn't matter, just as long as one's not correct. And we're going to keep on doing this until we get just one of these correct. Not two, not three, not like zero. We have to have one correct and none of the others. So face away from us and we'll go up, up, down, down. And we'll do that one more time. Up, up, down, down. Now, we only have one correct, but you just keep on doing that until you get one correct. Now, when you have just one of these correct and these other three not, you hold the one correct part just in the back, and then you do the algorithm again. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. So there we go. Now that part's solved. So now it's on to solving the yellow part, but there can be two cases. So this is the first and easiest case out of all of the cases. Or of the two cases. This is the first case. So it's when you just have just no other colors besides just the center. And then what we want to do is we want to find a pair of headlights, which is just two of them right next to each other across. And what you want to do is you want to hold these on the left, and then you want to do the algorithm. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. And it's solved. But hold up. Don't move the cube. It could mess this up, but that's okay. We're going to do this algorithm. We're going to go down, down, up, up 6 more times. So down, down, up, up. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, and down, down, up. And then that will solve. But there's also one case that takes longer that I will show you guys. So this is the second case that you can get, is just like this. And this is the longest case. So what you want to do is, you want to hold like a yellow facing towards you on the left, not the right side, the left side. And what we do is we go down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Then, it's just like the first case. We go down, wait, and then we do this, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. But it is not solved. All of these are messed up, so you still have to do this 6 more times. Down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up. But, as you see, these are still messed up, and that's fine. Because when we flip it over, we will still have all this messed up, but that's okay. That's how you want it to be. So basically, one of these will be solved, and then you'll hold it towards the back, and then you do the down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down algorithm. All that will be solved, and then it'll have the same case as this, which we hold these two to the side, down, down, up, down, down, up, up. So then it's like this, and then we do it 6 more times to finish off the cube. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And there we go. The cube is completely solved. And by the way, this was the sledgehammer method. It is the same method as this. Just added steps on the Skewb Ultimate. There's also cubes such as the Skewb. I'm sorry, that's the Skewb Extreme. Cubes such as the Skewb Ultimate, like right there. That'll be another one of my tutorials, which means you should subscribe. So subscribe to Austin Feltron, That's Ridiculous, Q-Man T, Minecraft Cool Dude, and most importantly, me, Legit Luke. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more epic content, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.